You guys betrayed me.
You betrayed us.
You betrayed me.
2 minutes and come down.
No, I was standing up there. What do you mean?
You can just wait until I text and then come. I don't think I've sat next to you for like the past 5 weeks. Girl.
I am guilty of. So we are back from our classes.
The light inside me is dying.
It is currently 4:20, and I'm going. Me and Noor have this master plan planned out. Which I'm skeptical about. I don't know if that's gonna work. My job is so uneven because I took my pins out. But me and Noor yap a lot. And then there's tarawih. But yeah, and then me and Noor are gonna lock in. And yeah, I think that's about it, folks. That's Hanien's day. I didn't like vlog with my face like a lot, like with the camera, because it's a huge camera. Can't really like, you know. Salam merch. That's the OTD. But yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Guys, we're going to the gym with Noor.
Hey guys, we're gonna lift. We're gonna get so strong.
If there are machines.
There, I just told Hanien that a gym
Yeah.
exists, but we don't know if it actually exists. So
We
we're
don't
gonna
know.
find out.
How's it going?
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah.
10 out of 10 food.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, go. One.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm Noah.
And I'm Noor.
And we are. And I'm now a part of
Guys, wait, do you guys want to see my plate? You guys want to see my plate? So we have Tomer,
That's the
we
spread.
have Jish, Ma'loube, Fattoush. Yum, I'm so excited.
I don't understand this language. Neither do I. I'm just kidding.
Oh. Everyone, let's all acknowledge the wall spell. What is her color?
It is.
What do you guys think? Comment down below. What do you guys think?
That was crazy. Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
Alright guys, now to the next duo.
That's cool as us. Hi guys.
I was enjoying my food. I was sitting there, I was enjoying it.
Hello. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, hi guys, I'm Lamise. Ready? Look.
Hey. Lamise is the cameraman.
Oh, that's why it's blurry. Hold on.
It's called Matluba.
Really?
It's so good. It's giving Romeo and Juliet.
Oh my god. What do I say? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Anything. Whatever comes in your head.
I'm sorry, I don't speak English. Very good.
We are guys, today we are at the third day of Today is MSA and MC sponsored. We are at East Hall. We're on the top floor. You can see there's plenty of people still eating. You're supposed to pan the camera. There's plenty of people still eating. We are now cleaning the tables. Inshallah, we'll go to Tarawih in like less than an hour or so. Make sure you come to the...
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Come to more iftars.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, I just think about
So how was your day, Asia?
it's been good actually.
Really?
I woke up super thirsty because I woke up after suhoor.
Yeah.
But then once I got over it, I was like, what a great day.
Yeah.
What about yours?
My day was good. I went to the gym. Then me and Nor came here, and the food is actually really good.
Bomb! The food is
food
so
is really
good! So much like my mom's. I was
It
tripping.
does. I think my mom's made it before, but she calls it something else.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, it was so good. We had a little photography session, and yeah.
Eat! That's funny.
Allah.